5 Best Gear Shift Knobs. Here is the product number 5. 5-speed leather mount gear shift knob. Features: 100% brand new and high quality. Quality materials, elegant and stylish look. Comfortable grip and easy installation. A perfect aftermarket replacement. Type: gear knob. Stitch color: black, gray, beige. Cap color: chrome, gloss, matte silver. Material: leather plus ABS plastic. Here is the product number 4. Gearshift knob for CITROEN C1 C3 C4. Feature 1X shift knob shifter for CITROEN GTI's axle C2 C3 C4 Serapic Castle Berlingo and for Peugeot GearShifter 106 107 205 206 207 306 307 308 405 406 407. The stem on picture is not sold, it is only to show type of connection rod. Here is the product number 3. 8-color universal car aluminum manual gear shift knob. Feature: brand new and never used. This universal car manual gear shift lever knob is with chic and individualized design. Easy to install. A perfect decoration for your car. High quality alloy aluminum material. Alloy aluminum. Color: black, silver, red, blue, titanium, colorful, purple, gold. Here is the product number 2. Plastic 5-6-speed car gear knob. 5-6-speed gear shift knob cap cover insert for Renault Clio Megane Scenic chrome specification, brand name. Item width, 3.2 cm. Model name, for Renault. Product name, gear knob cap. Material, plastic. Color, chrome. Item height, 1 cm. Item length, 3.8 cm. Here is the product number 1. SPEEDWOW 5-6-speed gear shift knob. Features: made of PU leather and durable ABS plastic. Inside stick hole diameter, 12 mm. Direct fit, easy installation. Perfect fit. Easy and quick installation. 100% brand new and corrosion resistance. Unique stylish design. It also can add a luxury and fashionable look to your car. Special features: dust-proof.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.